Welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. We're going to make us a very kid-friendly Thanksgiving dessert. Okay? And for this recipe, we're going to make some butterscotch Rice Krispie treats. Oh, there's 2 marshmallows left. Get out of there. Turn that down. You need a 10-ounce bag. Or actually, the whole recipe calls for 2 10-ounce bags of Rice Krispie treats. I mean, of good grief, y'all, I can't even talk tonight. Of miniature marshmallows. Okay? That's what it calls for. Oops. You need 1 cup, and I'm halving this. You need a half a cup. I'm going to put the recipe down there, so don't worry about this. You need, what I'm using 1 bag of miniature marshmallows, 4 tablespoons or 1/4 of a cup of salted butter. And this recipe called for salted butter. 1 box, small 3.4 ounce box of butterscotch pudding. 1/4 a cup of butterscotch chips. I've already used some of those in something else. And you need, of course, your Rice Krispies. And I will use 4 cups, okay? Like I said, I'm making a half of a recipe. So I've got in this pot right here my butter. 4 tablespoons of butter. I'll turn y'all down here so you can see. 4 tablespoons of butter. And 1 bag of miniature marshmallows. That's what's in my pot right here. And I've got it over about medium heat because we want it just to melt really good. I'm going to bring y'all down just a little bit further because I need to get out our vanilla. Okay. Because we have to add some vanilla here in a minute. Oh, I love marshmallows and I love Rice Krispies. I love Rice Krispie treats. They're one of my favorite things. I don't care how old I get. I'm going to love Rice Krispie treats. Okay? It's just one of those things that to me are just ooey gooey and yummy. And my mama used to make these butterscotch ones all the time, and they really were my favorite. They really were. And sometimes she would add a little bit of peanut butter to them. She would. And that made them good too. All right, now then, we're just going to get this to melt it up really good. You can do this in the microwave. Shh. Andy's over here. He's excited. Yeah, he is. He's excited. See how well that's melting up there? As soon as this all melts up good, then I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And our pudding mix. Go ahead and add this vanilla. There's a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla bean paste. No, we're staying here at home.
I'm gonna go with the 5 gallon.
You can see all those little flecks of vanilla beans in there.
I'm gonna go with the Olive Garden.
No.
Do you want to go with the Longhorn Steakhouse?
No. Now we're going to add our pudding into this, and we're going to cook this for a minute or 2. It says 2 to 3 minutes.
Do you want to go with the Chick-fil-A?
No. Turn that down a little bit lower because I don't want it to burn.
Do you want to go with the Applebee's?
No. Just want to get this all mixed up good in here. It's really all we're trying to do.
Do you want to go with the Waffle House?
Mix it up. Now we've got to add in our 4 cups. No. Be quiet, Mama's trying to video. Now we got to add our cereal. Ow! All right, here's our 4 cups of Rice Krispies. You have to add those in there right like that. We're just going to mix them. And I'm assuming y'all can make banana ones. Just use you a banana cream pudding. Any kind of pudding mix you wanted. Oh, these are already smelling so good, y'all. You just want to get them all mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and turn them off. Look at that. Y'all are probably thinking, what's she going to do with those butterscotch chips? Well, I'm going to show you right here in just a minute. Okay, let's get this off of here. Gotta taste it. Okay, I'm bringing y'all over here. See our dish right here? We're going to put them right here in that dish. It's already been sprayed or buttered, whatever you want to do. Just come in here just like this. My problem is, y'all, I never want to let them cool long enough. I just want to eat them. I don't want to let them cool. That was always my problem. All right, we're going to let those cool there a minute. Now then, I'm going to get some heavy cream out of the refrigerator. I'm going to show you what we're going to do for the top. Here we go. It's a brand new thing, a cream. It says it's good till the day after Christmas. Guarantee you it won't stay around here that long. I'm going to add just about that much. I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it out of the microwave. But there it is. Now then, we're going to take these butterscotch chips. I'm not sure how many I've got, but I'm just going to put some in there. I'm going to start stirring it. And the heat from this cream will melt these chips, y'all. Go ahead and add all those in there and let them just all melt. Because this is the glaze that goes on the top. Okay? He is wild as a buck right now, y'all. This takes a minute, but it's worth it, okay? May have to put it back in there for a minute. Let's see how warm it is. Might have to pop it back in the microwave. But you don't want to leave it long. Okay. Now then, let's see if this has got it. May have had too much cream. That's okay. It'll just be a little thinner. I think it calls for 2 tablespoons. I probably had about 3 or 4 tablespoons in there. I'm going to use the little whisk. Oh, my goodness gracious. That just flew apart. Okay, let's bring these over here. Now then, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. I think peanut butter, Mama would put peanut butter in this topping right here. That's what Mama did. I should have maybe, but I didn't. Look at that. Now you tell me that's not going to be absolutely delicious. But I can't taste them right now because I got to wait for them to cool and set so I can cut them. So I'll be back. Y'all, look at our Rice Krispie treats. So good. Your littles are gonna love them. Okay. Y'all see them? They are so yummy. That's my favorite. You all remember, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.